हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, इस ऑडियो में मैं आपको वर्ड्स डिक्टेट कर रहा हूँ। ट्रांसक्रिप्शन नंबर 519 से लेकर 528 528 तक सर कैलाश चंद्रा मैगजीन से। ये सिलेक्टेड वर्ड्स हैं, आप इनकी प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं इसको प्ले करके जैसे चाहें। और जो आपको आउटलाइन नहीं आती हो, मैं इसमें डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दे रहा हूँ इसका स्पेसिफिक वॉल्यूम का, आप उसमें से देख सकते हैं। थैंक यू। Please get ready to write few outlines from page 142, exercise 519 to 522. 5 seconds. Start. Roaring, pitfalls, grim, emphasis, summarily, opine, accelerate, housewives, fingers, crossed, continuous, belied, extremely, congratulations, oriented, prerogative, microscopic, affluent, underlying, critical, curtailment, consumption, luxury, logically, commercial, slacken, boost, climate, incentives, exemption, loosened, gestures, permissible, proviso, cumbersome, rationalized, underhand, prevalent, geared, translated, politicians, corroding, stature, complex, plethora, numerous, graduates, fodder, indifferent, frustrated, agitations, soil, erosion, realizing, recently, exaggeration, desperate, alarming, silted, drought, destroyed, manipulated, resort, eliminate, flexible, cigarettes, drained, discounted, prophecies, miracles, repetition, worthwhile, receipts, inadequacies, performance, seminars, attorney general, preparedness, admitted, directions, deliberations, promotees, litigation, legacy, inherited, cadre, recruitment, pursuance, subsequently, inception, promotions, irregularity, diluted, strictly, review, petition, intending, seniority, unending, struggle, prevail, thrash, arbitration, nominating, undertaking, award, binding, exploiting, recruits, participated, complex, conformity, ineffability, distortions, endeavor, consensus, emphasized, inflationary, illegitimate, enduring, distinguished, gestation, postponed, overdraft, embarrassing, delicate, guidelines, discipline, observe, observed, drought, tide, flood, competition. Stop. Please get ready to write words from page 143, exercises 523 to 526. 5 seconds. Start. Radically, advocacy, monopoly, capitalism, prevailing, strings, jugglery, stagnation, inputs, toiling, speculation, peasantry, hoarding, investment, patronage, tapping, excise duty, deliberately, stopping, compelling, incentive, concessions, starving, scarcities, artificial, closures, shying, retrenchment, privations, aluminium, evasion, invoicing, massive, annually, enormous. Mobilize, reveals, schedules, deteriorated, redemption. Liquidity, impart, verge, salvage. Promulgated, breed, restrictions, meantime, resources, creation, accepting, imposed, monopoly, whitened. Apprehend, blackened, circle, vicious, holders, expansion, priority, developmental, industrialists. Refreshing, especially, concern, seeing, tunnel, illusion, cylinders, compression, served, utility, imbalanced, despondent, conservative, continue, criticism, familiar, attempted, cushion, prospect, striking, freight, enormous, phenomenon, appreciable, percentage, backbone, stopped, maintenance, deplorable, substandard, undercarriage, completely, minorities, modernizing, decline. Artery, stabilizing, contentment, integrity, amicably, unpunctuality, calamities, punctuality, railwayman, dragged, reinstated, transportation, cancellation, passengers, pilferage, bottlenecks, relationship, compensation, connivance, portfolio, shifted, protecting, alarm, vigilant, seasonal, concessional, renewed, regularly, tickets, distance, stop. Please get ready to write words from page 144, exercise 527 and 528. 5 seconds. Start. Expeditiously, accumulate, trap, craft-wise, multiply, eliminate, multiplicity, federations, deliver, bottlenecks, contingent, casual, collector, consisting, stacked, assaulted, dependents, crucial, promises, credibility, bossism, informally, adjudication, termination, suspension, individual, suspended, redress, terminated, deterrent, reinstated, arbitrarily, efficacious, demoted, authority, outcome, reinstatement, afresh, adjudicated, forum, speedy, rightly, dismissed, administered, ultimately, colossal, malified, aside, redress, consumed, beneficial, participated, contracted, sabotage, intimidation, violent, inordinate, delay, whosoever, committed, lapse, lapses, repeated, discrimination, discriminated, removed, activities, strike, disposal, involving, stop.